Hello, in front of me I've got RAM 1500. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which you can navigate through instrument cluster. Press this button to enter whole menu selection. Next, press these panels to navigate through current menu. Here we can find speedometer, driver info, vehicle info, performance, trip info, navigation, off-road info, trailer tow, audio, messages, and settings. Each menu has its own settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.